Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys all so much for joining me today. I hope you're all having the most wonderful day. Today guys, another Primark haul. A little bit excited about this Primark haul just because I got some fun stuff and most of it's for summer. But also a little disappointed. I just want to kind of get something off my chest, I guess, have a bit of a rant. So I got all my items, they were in the basket. I was heading towards the checkout. And bear in mind, this is after work when it's super busy. In the queue for a little bit of time, that's totally fine. Got to the till, girl, super lovely girl, asked did I want a bag. And I said, no, I have one. Didn't realize that I'd bought so much that I did need another bag. Well, I thought I needed another bag. So I went ahead and I got one of their pound bags. And from the unit that all the bags were on, you could clearly see it was marked a pound. I got to the till, the girl started putting my stuff through and I noticed a 25p fee, a 25p amount. And I knew I hadn't bought anything for 25p. So I asked the girl, can you tell me what the 25p is for? I'm a little confused. And she explained to me that there is a 25p levy on all of their bags, including their paper bags. Which, guys, I just need to remind you that in the south of Ireland, where Primark is actually called pennies, all paper bags are free. You don't get charged for your paper bags. It's just in the north. So I was kind of a bit disgusted because I think Primark should be a little bit more upfront and put the price, or even put the sticker that says that there is a levy somewhere close to where you're going to purchase the bags, because I just think that's a little bit of false advertising. I did take a photograph of it, and if I remember, I will put it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see. But don't be fooled that the bags are only a pound. I think this is a marketing trick, that you think you're only paying a pound for the bags, but in reality, you're paying 1.25. You're paying a pound to Primark for the reusable bag, or I think it's 45p now for a paper bag, which is recyclable. They still charge you the amount, plus you're paying a 25p. So I just want to let you guys know that right up front and have a little bit of a moan. But apart from that, we're going to move on. So guys, when I was in Primark today, I was in to buy some things for summer, going away on holiday. I love when I'm on holiday having things that are loose fitting, that allow the air to flow through. And normally what I find is that a lot of the women's clothes in Primark are tight. I really don't like that. So I usually head to the men's section because they have some really nice, colorful things that I really like. And then I alter the t-shirts or tops. So all the t-shirts I got today are from Primark. They are all £2.50 or £3 each, which is a bargain, a total bargain. But I have already gone ahead and altered them so I could show you guys what I do with my t-shirts, so that I have in preparation for summer and summer holidays. So I will show you the t-shirts in a little second, but we'll just run through a few things first. First thing I purchased are these trainers. I have purchased these trainers before from Primark. They are £8 a pair. They are super comfortable. They are light. They are spongy on the inside, and they do last me a really long time. I think I've had a pair for about 1.5 years. They're starting to look a little bit tatty, really old, dark colored around here. So I thought I'd buy myself another pair, and I think they are cute. I like the fact that they're a little bit more pointed than round at the top, and I just love them. I've bought a couple of pair of these, and I really like them. I'm trying not to put my shoes on the table, even though I know they were in the bag on the table, but a little bit superstitious, but I'm just going to set them off to the side. And then I purchased for my summer on a budget, if I can get the other one out of this bag. Oh my goodness. Come on. I purchased a little pair of these Primark wedges. I really like how spongy and soft they are, but I like the fact that I get a little bit of height. The other thing that I love about these were that they were only £7, which is a bargain. I like the square toe. I'm just going to set one off to the side so I can show you guys. I like the square toe, and I like the fact that it has a canvas a canvas tongue, if that's what you call this, strap. This is maybe the tongue. I like that because I find that the rubber sometimes rubs against my feet and really, really hurts, even though I have used Vaseline to try and stop the friction. So I think these are super cute. And if you're just walking around in the evening and you have like a light little skirt or dress on, I think these are better than putting on a pair of trainers. So super happy with these, only £7. I think that's a bargain. And then guys, I purchased, and this is what's taken up a lot of the room. In fact, when I was in Primark, because I actually asked the girl, it's going to sound really terrible, but I asked the girl to refund the bag just because I was a little bit ticked. I know, but I was a little bit ticked that they were charging me an extra 25p. Not even, I guess, so much about the 25p. I was a little bit more ticked that it clearly didn't display it where the bags were hanging, that you had to wait till you got to the till and then find out. I just think that's a little bit, I guess, underhanded, a little bit devious. If you were upfront with people, I really probably wouldn't have an issue paying the 125. I just think that because you don't see the little sticker that's on their perspex that's just in front of them, they just put it through. And I guess a lot of people don't know that they're paying 125. So all I'm saying, Primark, you're probably not watching this video, but if you are, be upfront. Just put that they are 125 and they're 125 because there's a 25p levy. But anyway, so I picked up 3. And I put some stuff inside them just so I could get them all into the one bag. I picked up these little Mickey Mouse, their desk storage, because I think they're totally adorable. They're absolutely massive. They're totally adorable. And I thought that I could do something with these, maybe a giveaway, fill it up with something, or as part of the Christmas. And I know we're so far away from Christmas, I totally get it, but I could do something for the charity. So I might keep one as for a giveaway and then do 2 little boxes for the charity. These I think were a bargain because they were £3 originally and they were down to £2. I'm just going to take the stuff that I put inside, but they're super cute. Maybe a little impractical for square stuff, but I'm sure that I could fill a nice little burr in here, some sweets in here, and a couple of toys in here. So I'm actually buzzing with these. I think these are totally cute. They don't want to sit up. And I purchased 3, but obviously I put everything inside. Let's do this. And then there is more stuff in this one. Actually, oh, I've got everything. So I am totally stoked with these little boxes for £1. I did see a girl looking at them and then she put it down and I quickly snuck in and took all 3. I know that sounds terrible, but I still did it. Anyway, so the next thing I purchased are some nice little earrings. I really, really liked these style. Only £2 and you get 4, 8, 12 sets. I have no issue using cheaper earrings. It says a 12-pack right up here. I could have read it rather than count it. I don't mind using cheaper earrings because I switch them out all the time. I have my ear pierced in one side 4 times and in the other side 3. So I use a lot of earrings and I like changing them up. I don't like keeping them the same all the time. And I don't wear expensive earrings. So these are super cute. These are probably, the little ring ones are probably my favorite. I'm really, really loving those. But I thought for a change up in holiday, that would be pretty good. So I purchased those. And then guys, everything else are, oh, hey guys, sorry about that. My dog started barking and I needed to make sure she was okay. By the way, she's totally fine. She just doesn't like anyone coming anywhere near the house. Protective, we're grateful. But, so guys, let me just show you. So this top is Primark. This is not from the men's section. It is a little crop, more of a crop top. I was going to alter this by removing the neck. I decided not to because I actually really like the neck. But look how vibrant and summer and colourful that is. That is like super duper adorable. So that's, I'm going to just throw it up there. No, I'm not. That looks terrible. I'll set it right off here. So that's my first little top. This little top, by the way, sorry, it was in the women's section, is £4. Primark have a burst of colour at the moment, which I'm loving. Sometimes I like a bit of colour. Sometimes I like, I'll wear like a black pair of jeans, a black t-shirt, and like a different coloured shirt so that the shirt is where the burst of colour is. So sometimes I like that. Guys, the next thing that I purchased is this yellow t-shirt. This yellow t-shirt is from the men's section, which I'm totally fine with. It is, you guys can't even get it. Like, I can't even show you the color because the color is super vibrant. Yellow. This was a normal crew neck. I tend to take the crew neck completely off so that it's left with a little bit of a shoulder and the sleeves, because I tend to turn the sleeves. I just have this thing for turning my sleeves. So I tend to turn the sleeves and I will iron that so it stays in place. And then I have this gorgeous little off the shoulder t-shirt. It is pretty long, but I don't mind it being a bit long because I tuck. So that's okay. So this little t-shirt was £2.50, which is a bargain. And then I purchased another t-shirt. Now, guys, just as an FYI, I will tidy up all these bits, but I just wanted to alter these so I could show you guys what I do with my t-shirts. Or the t-shirts that I purchased in the men's section from Primark. So this was another t-shirt, exactly like the really vibrant orange, yellow, only in this gorgeous bright orange, although it looks a little bit more burnt orange on screen, but it's not a super, super bright orange. So it was exactly the same price, the same t-shirt, but instead of doing an off the shoulder, I decided to make this one into more of a little vesty. Now, what I will do with this when I'm on holiday is put like a little black vest top underneath. I do have to tidy up parts of it. And I cut the crew neck off and I created a little vest top. This is super cute because with a black vest top underneath, this just will sit off the shoulders with my black straps around my shoulders. And it has a long flowy bit here that allows the air to get through. Again, like I said, I will tidy it up, but this is the kind of thing that I do with the t-shirts. And sometimes I'm not going to pretend that every time it turns out perfectly. It doesn't. But I give it a go. And for £2.50, I might as well try. The next t-shirt that I bought, I think this is it. I love this t-shirt. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. This one says Happy Days. I just really thought this was super cute. Again, this was a crew neck. I removed the crew neck, left a little bit of shoulder. I will do the exact same thing by rolling up the sleeves and just have it as an off-shoulder little t-shirt that I can wear on holiday with something like a pair of 3/4 lengths or a little pair of shorts, or a little flowery skirt, which I think will be super, super cute. But again, this little top was £3, and I love this t-shirt. I mean, I really, really love this t-shirt. You guys might think that I'm crazy buying things in the men's section, but honestly, sometimes I find that the men's section is where you find a little bit of like a funkier look, and I like that look, but I also like to alter it to make it suit me, what I want it to look like. So the last one that I got, again, not gonna lie, complete neck, absolutely removed, shoulder, a little bit of shoulder with the sleeve, which I intend to turn up. But this one I thought was really, really cute. It says distorted. So you guys can see I've removed the neck. It says distorted, 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 distorted. And I just thought this was quite cute. So this little t-shirt cost me £3 as well. And I just think they're adorable. And that is my summer haul on a budget. I hope you guys have found, I don't know, this helpful. And maybe if you find a top that you really like in the men's section and you just want to give it a little bit of you just want to make it more your style, you should definitely, think about purchasing these and just doing things. Give them a little bit of snip or put a little hole here and just see what it looks like. That's what I do. I try and test it. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And if it does, then I'm absolutely elated. And that's not to say that I won't change these. I may remove the arms from this one and make it more of a vest top. I do allow myself a little bit of sleeve just in case I do decide to make it more of a vesty rather than a t-shirt. But guys, literally I spent £24 in Primark, and I am going to put these shoes on the table. I feel bad. And not that you can really see them because everything looks black. But I spent £34 in Primark, and I got all of this, which I think is a total bargain. Definitely doing some summer on the cheap and cheerful. And that's just the way I like it. Well, guys, really hope that you've had a good time. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like. And if you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here. Don't forget to leave comments. I love hearing your feedback. I love you guys telling me what your favorite items are. I love you telling me your own experiences. And definitely tell me if you've been caught out by that additional 25p levy. That kind of ticked me off a little bit today. But I will get over it. It's not a big deal. Just kind of a little bit irky that they weren't upfront and honest. But anyway, I hope you guys have the most amazing day. Please stay safe. Please take care. Please look out for each other. And I will catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.